right here is a Athern band drive locomotive that I just put bands on, and this is going to be a video of me running it. It is a Southern Pacific GP7. So let's see if it'll run. Whoa, geez, it's a little rocket. So that is a success. This thing is running like a dream. Overall rating, in my opinion, it's got to be a 10 out of 10. This is a really nice runner. I feel like everyone just forgets about these engines. They're so nice.